Hello guys, welcome to another kata on Code Wars. Today we'll be solving sum, square, even, root, odd. Let me read it. Complete the function that takes a list of numbers, nums, as the only argument to the function. Take each number in the list and square it if it's even, or square root the number if it's odd. Take this new list and return the sum of it, rounded to 2 decimal places. The list will never be empty and will only contain values that are greater than or equal to 0. So basically there are 3 things to nail here. How to, let's say, for looping over an array, how to square a number, how to get the square root, and how to convert floating numbers to decimal places. So I will go to the node console so that we can exercise it. There is a simple way of looping over an array. If I have something like this, so we have 4 of, that's it. Console.log I. So we have this undefined because of this extra comma I put here. I can do the same thing without that. Let me call this array2 and let's call back our loop for array2. Console.log I, and I close it. So this is it. Now this last line is a return value, so this returns nothing, so you can just focus on this. That's it for looping. Now how do I square a number? 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 9 is 81. So squaring is multiplying a number by itself, or to the power 2. That's it. 9 star 2. And conversely, the square root of 81. So the number to the power 0.5 gives the square root. So the square root of 81 is 9. Here's the formula. It's a number multiply to the power 0.5. That's it for the square root. Decimal places, I don't know, we have to go to Google. Let's say printing float to 2 decimal places. JavaScript. Okay, that will be the last aspect to deal with. I can see to precision. Let's try that. If I have a value n which is 9 point, so n dot to precision, so I wanted to display a number. I thought, well, let's just open it and see. To fixed. Well, this seems to work. To fixed. Alright, let's see the comment here. Alright, it's to fix. Okay, so let's go back to codewars. Take each number in the list and square if it's even. So I have to loop. Let's use our for off. Now, for a number to be even, its modulus with 2 needs to be 0. So if it's even, I have to square. Now I have to square and actually I need to create a new list with squares and square roots. So let me just create my new array to be this. If it's even, a square and put inside the array. So I'm going to square I. Else, that means it's odd. Then I need to get the square root, which is new array. I have to push I to the power 0.5. At the end of the loop, I have a new array that is filled with squares and square root, depending on whether it's odd or even. Then I have to return the sum rounded to 2 decimal places. This we can use reduce to sum an array, so I can just return the new array reduce to the sum. It takes an accumulator and a number. That's it. And then I can fix it to fix 2 decimal places. Let's see. That reduce without the D. Get issues. I think I need to debug. First thing, I'll put the answer of the reduced here, and then the answer of the precision I'm going to put here, and then I'll console log to make sure that our new array is alright. Okay, and I want to console log the original array too, so that I can see the values. So the original array is this ns. This is the original, and this is the square. 4 is 16. The square root of 5, is it 1? So 5 to the power 0.2. So it actually rounds up. That's why I lose this precision. If you discover the answer is just around the correct one, it's because of this position. 5 square root is supposed to be 1.39, but it gets a 1. Let's just go to Google and see. Float rounded one push to array JavaScript. I want to understand why it rounds up or rounds down actually. What if I do this? Let me try that before going back to Google. Oh, this is I, not 1. Yeah, that was the issue. Alright. We got the right number. It's just in a string format we need to convert. So I'm going to bring back what we had here. Okay. Sorry, I need to return this. This is what we had, and to convert it to a number I just need to put a plus, and that's it. So we look, I can remove this console log. So we look the array, and if it's even we push the square, if it's odd we push the square root, and then we sum everything in our new array. The sum operation is this, and then we precise it so decimal places. It returns it in the form of a string, and then we convert to a number with the plus. Basically that's it. And any updates in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you on another